So today we are actually surprising our best friend for her birthday. Yeah, we've got all the things at the back, heaps of stuff. So we have to go pick up the balloons, pick up the food, pick up some more food, go to the shop, and hopefully make it to the hotel all before 12 o'clock. So we literally have 3 hours. Oh yay, that's okay, at least the Nella looks amazing. Alright, so we're picking up the letters and we're gonna go pick up the rest of the things like the cake in the fridge. Thank goodness some white girls picked up some stuff for me. Oh yeah. Show you guys like our list, like oh my god, this is our friggin' list. Nella, you better. Okay, so we got all the stuff back here. What's good? What's good? What's good? That's Sinem grabbing the trolley from the hotel to try and help us grab all the stuff. Look at all the crap we have to do for you, Nella. I'm so sick of this. Nella. Really bad. I'm being a really bad. Far out. That was a mission. That was an actual. We've got some Christmas trees.
Damn, baby. I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you.
Alright, we are ready. This is my fit. Some naps over here. Oh, Lily. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh wait. Hi, Josie's watches. We are twinning. Hey! We haven't got all the food arriving yet, but we're gonna make a punch. And the balloons and Nella's name. So cute. Okay, we're ready. Yeah, they're fine. They've only got to reception. Happy birthday, my girl!
This is so cute. You got my name.
Yes, we got your name.
This got me.
We're proposing to you. I'm tearing up. I love you, my girl.
I'm just so full of emotion.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
The petals.
So extra. Yeah, so extra. So it just goes to show, if your man don't show up like this, it's a no.
Who needs a man?
It's a no. Who needs a man? You have us.
Robert was like, oh, can you just go open the door? I'm just gonna look at something. Okay.
Go open the door.
When we went to get the chicken, we were like, do you guys feel like chicken?
Do you feel like chicken? Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Just go through the room. This is Nala. Oh yeah, birthday girl. Looking like a snack.
Get ready.
Girl, you look beautiful in anything. Your birthday fit. Oh, snap, snap. So this is the main bedroom. This is Nala's room. Wait, let me just show them the bathroom because I didn't get to film anything. This is the bathroom. And it even has a bathtub, a beautiful shower. Oh, and don't forget, your girl's got the skin products. Help yourself, sis. Do a cleanser for ya. And then we've got the Nella with her name. Guys, say hi to my YouTube channel. Say hi, sis. And we are having some kai. And
Want to choose still another one?
Cupcakes, sushi, Subway, yum. Hi, everybody's here. What's good? Hey. Got my cousins here. What's good? Hey, 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 hey. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you. Oh my god, the cookies look amazing.
Can we leave one up here?
Yeah, yeah.
Should we store one for you guys tomorrow? Yeah. Put it away. Yeah.
Okay, this is for us to take home, okay? Not me hiding the stack. Okay, you look amazing. Yes, this is for the late night snack, you know, when we're craving. Eating all the snacks.
Get amongst it, guys. Catch me at the snack.
That's why we look like that.
Yeah, that's right. How do you think that we're gonna get this?
Yes, it's on. We love to see it. Oh, we love it.
I'm not even a drinker. You want That's a lie. Don't listen to him. Your legs say you're a drinker. Take it for the contract. Go girl. You know how to spin it. Act like you don't know.
Don't get it on your dress.
But make sure it's spinning. Or just go.
Oh, hey.
Spinning down. And just sit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Make a wish, Nana.
Sorry, I had to.
COVID.
Speech, speech.
Wow, I'm shaking. I'm like in so much. Oh, I can't even believe this, you guys. Because my birthday was like 2 weeks ago.
It's your fault.
Birthday month. Birthday month, right? That's what birthday month.
Yeah, birthday
But,
month.
Yeah, it's kind of like I'm still trying to absorb this whole situation going on right now. Like, this is a huge surprise. Shit. Okay, I wasn't expecting everyone to be here at the hotel. I thought I was just gonna see you guys at the boat. But yeah, wow, I'm so emotional right now. I can't even speak. They're gonna start crying. Sorry, no makeup.
It's the makeup.
Later. And I'm a little bit jittery because I had that drink. Wow, I'm truly blessed to have each and one of you guys in my life. Oh my god, I love you guys so much.
Aww.
We love you, Nala.
You deserve this, Nala. You do so much for everybody.
The makeup, I'm really wearing the makeup. Wow, I'm truly grateful in this moment right now.
Aww.
But this was also so special. I can't talk. I'm sorry. The place in my life right now, you know, I really can feel so much love and so much like of this positive energy from everybody and each of you individually. Like, you're so special and unique to me. Don't mind me, my voice is great.
It's okay.
Yeah, wow. I'm still like sinking in that you are all here right now. And like, oh, I don't know, I don't even know where to go. I'm just gonna go in the corner and cry.
On the boat, on the boat. On the boat.
I'm just gonna say I love you all so much. I appreciate you all so much, and I'm so thankful for you all to be in my life. And I'm so glad that like I've crossed paths with you all, and like, yeah, you all mean so much to me, and I hold you guys so close to my heart. But thank you for this. Thank you for just being you and being in my life. Yeah. Okay. Love you. Do you guys want cake? Okay.
Okay, so Nella,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
you know I love you, right?
Yeah. Love you too.
Good, amazing. So technically, like, everybody pulled this off for you. Like, we all contributed to make this day special for you. And I figured that you do so much for everybody out of your own free will, and you never expect anything in return. And that's just the person you are. Unlike myself, I make sure I get in return back. And I want to make sure that you get that too, because you're my best friend and I love you. And everybody here, we all contributed because we wanted to make sure that you felt special this year. It was a bit very hard because you kept changing.
Meanwhile, you guys behind the scenes with your group chat. Let me just tell her this, and then she will agree with me.
So yeah, we just wanted to say like thank you, and I also wanted to give a huge shout out to every single one of you guys, whether you contributed big or small. Even like your presence here is like huge to us, and like especially Nella, like she appreciates every single one of you guys because obviously you guys are here for a reason. She only spends her time with people she values, and you know that's a big thing for her. And I know that she loves quality time with everyone, and I wanted to make sure that she got that on her special day. Even though, you know, we're gonna go have fun on the cruise and stuff like that, but she also likes to, like, you know, individually spend time with people, even though she spent the whole 3 hours in the room. Excuse me. But no, thank you so much for the cakes, for the cupcakes, for the money, for the transactions, for the pay IDs, for the behind the scenes, helping me get all these things running, and you know, everyone doing last minute stops for me as well. Thank you guys, I love you guys, and we love you so much, Nella. This is your day, and we are going to celebrate your month. Happy birthday! Okay, now we've got 2 minutes to get to the boat. Literally.
I was in line for a second.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Please, specs.
Oh, of course. We are on Glass Island. We're on Glass Island. What's it, Glass? Glass.
First we get the talking, then we get the touching. We get past the phone beans, we'll be fucking. I sit like the French kiss on my tongue in your ear. Do it.
Okay, that was a successful night. We're leaving, cleaned up the place. Looks like we just came back in.